Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade cookie butter. This delightful spread, often enjoyed on toast or with fruit, is surprisingly simple to prepare. We'll go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to blending them into a smooth, creamy consistency. Get ready to transform simple cookies into an irresistible treat that everyone will love. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a unique flavor. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite crisp, spiced cookies, like speculoos or ginger snaps. Next, prepare 60 milliliters of milk or cream to help achieve that perfect creamy consistency. Don't forget 50 grams of melted unsalted butter, which adds richness, and 20 grams of granulated sugar for sweetness. A small pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg will enhance the overall flavor profile beautifully. Now let's get to the fun part, blending. Start by finely crushing your cookies into a very fine crumb. A food processor works wonderfully for this, ensuring a smooth final product. Then, combine these cookie crumbs with your melted butter and milk in the processor. Blend the mixture thoroughly for several minutes until it transforms into a wonderfully smooth and creamy spread. Taste and adjust the sugar or spices as needed. Once your cookie butter is perfectly smooth, transfer it to an airtight container. For optimal freshness, store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain delicious for up to 2 weeks. There are countless ways to enjoy this treat. Spread it on toast, dip apple slices into it, or use it as a topping for ice cream or pancakes. It also makes a thoughtful and unique homemade gift for friends and family.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.